How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the gravity direction in Geometry Dash. Basically, in order to do this, it's extremely simple. Now, the trigger that we are going to be using is not the gravity trigger itself. It's going to be this specific trigger that has no name. Basically, it's going to be this one. You could just place it where you want to change your gravity. And what you can do with this is to simply change the direction of the arrow where you want the gravity to be pointed at. So in my case, I want to be pointed at this way. And then let's go ahead and copy and paste the trigger. And then from here, I'm going to modify it once again where it will then be pointing downwards. So if we hit on the play button, the gravity should basically go ahead and change around this specific part of the area. Of course, what you can do is to click on the touch trigger. Same thing with this one. And then if we play out the level, it will go ahead and change after touching this specific gravity right here. So as of right now, I'm having some problems. Maybe if we go ahead and rotate it a little bit more. Let's click on the play button right here. And then basically from there, as you can see, we'll be able to edit out the gravity the way you want to. You could also click on the edit velocity. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.